In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a MIDI keyboard to Cakewalk Sonar. Now to do this, first you want to open your project, you want to go to the top left and from here click on Edit and then click on Preferences. Now you can also press P on your keyboard, it's going to open up the same thing, and then in here you want to go to MIDI and then Devices, okay? So you can be on the basic view as well, it's going to show you as well, so just click on Devices here and you'll see your inputs over here. Now if you don't see anything, you of course want to connect your MIDI keyboard into your computer via USB or whatever you are using. So if you haven't done that yet, this is now the time. Connect it in here and you should be able to find your MIDI keyboard over here, okay? You can select the input and the output. So over here, you can just go and click on the one that you add. In my case, I don't have one, so I'm not going to be able to click on it, but of course you are going to see it over here. But if you can see it and you have actually plugged it into your computer, just go ahead and close this, close down Cakewalk Sonar, reopen it, and then come back here and you should be able to find it. Then when you're ready, just click on it over here and then click on the apply and OK buttons at the bottom, and that way your MIDI keyboard has been connected. Now you can also go over here and of course add a new track, and whenever you add a new, for example, MIDI track, you can also go and then select it for the input over here. You'll be able to find it here on the list, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.